Hey everyone, welcome back to the Rebel Rant series. Before we dive into today's topic, let's kick things off with a big old Happy New Year. I want to take a moment to thank all of you amazing subscribers and viewers for your incredible support. We're almost at 25,000 subscribers and we've already crossed 2.7 million views on this channel. It might seem small to some, but for me, it is a huge milestone. I cherish every moment and wouldn't be here without you. Thanks for rocking with my YouTube long-form videos, shorts, and of course, this podcast. Speaking of milestones, I want to share something personal. I got temporarily demonetized recently. Yeah, that was a roller coaster. But guess what? YouTube reinstated my monetization. I'm still learning how to navigate the YouTube landscape, but I'm excited to share what I've learned with you all in future episodes. It is all about resilience, preparing for the unexpected, and working smart to get back on track. Okay, let's talk resolutions. For me, 2024 isn't just about shedding pounds, although I wouldn't mind a bit more energy. My main resolution is to enjoy the journey with all of you. I want to keep pushing out even more and even better content. I'm constantly refining my skills every single day. Juggling daddy duties, it is a wild ride, and bringing you the tech knowledge you crave. Now, onto the main event. My birthday experience in January 2022. Let me tell you, it was a doozy. I decided to celebrate by creating a RebelTech video at a notoriously haunted location. Yes, you heard that right. Reviewing and disassembling an Apple Mac Mini in the most creepiest place in town. It was my second time showing my face on camera, going full-time with content creation. Looking back, it might seem like a crazy stunt, but hey, it was all for the content. Check out the link in the description if you dare. But be warned, the video is not for the faint of heart. It sort of captured some unexplained voices and even glowing eyes on camera. Those who scare easily, please turn back now. For me, it was a thrill ride. I wasn't planning on making a paranormal video, but the editing process revealed some spooky surprises. The location was pitch dark, so we brought our gear and lit the place up. But even then, things got weird. My friend, who usually cracks jokes like nobody's business, seemed strangely quiet and subdued. I even found myself fumbling through the Mac Mini disassembly, which I've done 1,000 times before. It was like something was messing with us. Then, bam! Everything went dark. Our lights flickered and died, leaving us in complete darkness. We knew what was up. We didn't need to say a word. We just packed up quietly and got out of there. We were supposed to continue with the Mac Mini reinstallation of the operating system, but unfortunately, we were unable to. At least I managed to finish the maintenance. We haven't been back to that place since, and even I, the self-proclaimed thrill seeker, got spooked. I know some of you have asked about board repairs. I used to do them, but unfortunately, an accident in 2021 left me with a fractured ribcage and less than steady hands. Plus, not everyone wants to see me dive deep into circuit boards, especially with all the prep work involved. It's been a while anyway, and I've embraced new tech skills like programming, machine learning, and AI. Who knows, maybe one day I'll return to board repairs. But for now, I'm excited about exploring the future of tech with you all. Remember, you can catch the Rebel Rant series not just on YouTube, but also on YouTube Music, Spotify, and Apple Podcasts. The YouTube Music app is a hidden gem, trust me.